Brian Ramsey joins us now. It's just remarkable because it is the 16th of November and it's just been a heck of a season for hurricanes.
Yes, it has, and it's not even the end of the season yet. It doesn't end until the end of the month, so we could even see more hurricanes before all said and done. But we've got more rain here in California as well to worry about. We've got a flash flood watch in parts of Butte and Plumas County. This is going to be along the burn scar of the North Complex and Bear Fire. A cold front will pass through the area with plenty of rain tomorrow, but that cold front could stall over the burn scar, which would lead to an extended period of heavy rain. That heavy rain could produce ash or debris flows. So it's important to remember exactly what you need to know whenever there are debris flows out there. Well, usually vegetation will help absorb the rain. So whenever you have no fires, just regular forest, that will get absorbed. You won't see as many floods or flows or mudslides, things like that. But whenever you have a fire and you have lots of burnt landscape, that's going to lead a lot of ash, a lot of debris on the ground, which will repel the rain and make it pool on the ground. So whenever you get a lot of rain coming onto the earth, you're going to see all those puddles out there in the burn scar. And then guess what's going to happen? If you get too much, it's going to flow downhill towards residences downstream from that burn scar. So if you are anywhere near this burn scar, please make preparations for flooding, because if we see too much rain, we could see a debris flow with this system. But let's go ahead and take a look at that system, where it is right now. We're seeing that cold front just off the coast, that low pressure system also still off the coast, but that cold front will make landfall starting tomorrow morning, and it will be bringing widespread showers for our area. This is going to be the most significant rain event of the season, at least so far. Now, we're not talking extreme heavy rain for everybody, probably just enough rain to cause a concern for debris flows, but overall this is going to be good that we're getting some of this rain. Now, that cold front will make landfall right around 5 o'clock in the morning. Once we get later into the morning, we're talking maybe 8, 9 o'clock, that's when that front is going to bring some rain into the valley, and then it will approach and arrive in the parts of the Sierra once we get to around your lunch hour. Now, you see this line right here, that's the leading edge of that cold front. But once we go to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, look at it. It's just sitting here in this area, and that's why there's a flash flood watch on that burn scar, because that rain could fall moderately to heavily over the next several hours on that burn scar. So for several hours we could see heavy rain on that area, and that will cause a concern. Once we go later into the day on Tuesday for everybody else and into Wednesday, we're going to continue to see scattered showers moving through the area. High elevation snow also possible in the mountain regions. Snow levels at 6,500 feet on Tuesday, dropping to 5,500 feet on Wednesday. And then once we go into Thursday, we're going to see that last round of showers before Thursday afternoon. We're seeing clear skies across our region. But how much rain will we see with this system? Well, anywhere from ½ an inch to an inch in the valley will be likely, maybe even 1.5 inches in some of the heavy spots of that cold front. And then notice this red area, especially down here. That's where we're going to see some of the significant rainfall right in the foothill region. As that cold front stalls into the foothills and in the mountains, we could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain from this system. As for the snow totals, they're not looking as great, but that's because snow levels are going to be very high. So most of our mountain cities and towns will see no snow, but you do see those snow contours happening on the highest peaks out there. We could see maybe 1 to 3 feet on some of the highest peaks, because we're going to get a lot of snow, but it's only going to happen at very high elevations. As for a look at your 7-day forecast, in Chico, high 58 degrees for you for tomorrow. Widespread showers expected. Once we go to Wednesday, we're still going to see some pretty numerous showers, but by Thursday, maybe an isolated shower in the morning, and that's going to be about it. Full sunshine by Saturday. So Saturday, it's going to be a fantastic day out there if you want to go do something on Saturday, but we could see more rain returning later next week. As for Redding, a high of 54 for tomorrow. Widespread showers. 100% of the area will be covered by those showers, because that cold front will be a pretty steady cold front. Once we go through Wednesday, 80% chance of seeing those showers, so most of the area will still see showers. By Thursday, maybe an isolated shower in the morning. Then we warm up to 64 degrees by Saturday. Full sunshine. Saturday is going to be the best day of the week, because we're going to see more rain and colder weather returning by Monday.